So today's topic, let's look at chemical combination. Let's look at chemical combination. Chemical combination. Now, before we continue, combination, coming together of two elements. When two elements combine together, they produce a compound. When two elements combine together, they produce a compound. Now, before we proceed, it's just like as human, before you travel to a particular place, you have an objective. What do you want to, you have an objective. There is something you want to achieve. Now, what makes elements to combine with each other? Elements combine with each other because they want to attain what we call an octet. They want to attain what we call an octet or duplet electronic structure. That this is why elements combine. They want to attain octet or duplet electronic structure. Now, what is an octet state? So it means that the major reason why elements combine, they want to attain what we call an octet what? An octet state. That is the reason. Now, what is an octet state? What is an octet state? Or what is duplet electronic structure of an element? An octet state is a state whereby the atomos share of an element is exactly 8 electron or 2 electron. Don't forget, this is how element is. This is the atom. Let's use magnesium as a case study. Magnesium atomic number 12. So now this is the nucleus. The first share takes 2. The second share, of course, magnesium is 2.8.2, right? Good. So the first share takes 2. The first share takes 2. The second share takes what? The first share takes 2. Second share takes a maximum of 8 and continuously 8. Now let's go to the second share. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 2 electrons. Magnesium come, another 2 electrons. So magnesium will say, I'm not happy. I am sad. Why? I want to go away with my 2 electrons. Why? I don't want to have 2 electrons. It's just like we humans, we have many needs. There are some time, you see, there are some persons, they have 3 phones. They will go to Facebook market and sell one. So element behave the same, say, wow, I have 2 electrons. I don't want to have 2 electrons in my thermosphere. I want to do away one. So magnesium is going to throw away one. It will not be. That is why we have magnesium ion. But before that, let's look at it. This is magnesium. It ionizes. That is why it says something like this. It means magnesium gives her 2 electrons. Magnesium has given her 2 electrons. Therefore, this is the ion of magnesium. Don't forget, magnesium is a metal. Magnesium is what? It's a metal. So metals tends to give out electron. Let's take an example of non-metal. E.g. chlorine. Of course, you know atomic number of chlorine is 17, right? Very good. So now let's go with it. So chlorine will not be 2.8.7. So chlorine will not say, wow, I want my atomos share to be exactly 8. Chlorine will say, but what is happening? But I have 7. I just need 1. Chlorine will say, what is happening to me? I have 7. I just need 1 to make it exactly 8 electrons. That is what chlorine will say. Then what happens? Chlorine will say, it's just like, as humans, let's even forget about element. As human, you have $7 and you need $8 to buy something. let's say the truth. What you go and borrow? Let's remove the issue of chemistry. You will go and borrow, it's natural. So now chlorine is going to borrow more electron. So chlorine will not be -1. That's why you see -1 in chlorine. This is the ion of chlorine. This is the ion of chlorine. So let's continue. That is why you see chlorine liquids plus 2 electron. Plus 2 electron. This is chlorine. Plus 2 electron. Now, don't forget we are talking about chemical combination. Let's assume. So when magnesium, we are look at first scenario is magnesium. When magnesium, this is magnesium, we are look at magnesium. So when magnesium, let's say magnesium react, magnesium is solid chlorine. When magnesium react to chlorine, this is 2. Chlorine naturally stable when it is 2, when it has 2 more. So it's going to give you what? Magnesium chloride. It's going to give a magnesium chloride. So let's balance the reaction. At any point in time, our reaction must be balanced at all time. At any point in time, our reaction must be balanced at all time. Okay, let's proceed. So magnesium is what? Let's cover our marker first. Magnesium is what? 1 mole here. Magnesium is 1 mole here. Chlorine is 2 mole. Chlorine is 2 mole. The reaction is balanced. Balanced reaction. Balanced reaction. Thank you for today's class. Subscribe and share our videos. Let's make progress. Go and add yourself in our WhatsApp group where we discuss with students, we share questions, and we answer some complex questions in science. Thank you.